In a vibrant forest, birds sang in harmony, each note a unique tale. One bird, with a melody unlike any other, felt isolated. "Why can't I sing like them?" it wondered. A wise owl replied, "Your song is your strength. It tells your story." Inspired, the bird sang louder, its complex tune echoing through the trees. Other birds paused, listening intently. "Your song is beautiful," they chirped, joining in. Together, they created a symphony, each voice vital. Embrace your uniqueness, for it adds to the world's beauty. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.